පේන මවුන්ටන් එකට තමයි අපි දැන් මේ හයික් එක යන්නේ.
So what we're going to do today, and especially this time of the year, we hike to the top, we spend about 15 minutes, we drop down to this lower section here where we'll get sunset. We'll spend another 15, 20 minutes or so, and then after sunset we'll start making our way down.
It was supposed to be November 2020, so it's been cancelled multiple times. So finally it's coming now.
හයික් එක යන්නේ.
Penguins, well, polar bear penguins right now. I don't know.
But you go with a boat?
Yeah, so you go to Ushuaia, which is like the end of...
මෙන්න මෙතනට කට යනවා. කේබල් කාර්. එනවද දැන් මෙච්චර දුරට? අර එන කේබල් කාර්. අරක මුදුනට මේ විදිහටම පැහැදිලිව තිබ්බොත් හොඳයි අහස. එතකොට තමයි ලස්සන. සමහරලාට උතන ටේබල් මවුන්ටන් එකේ උඩ තනිකරම වලාකුළු විතරයි.
Can you make a video for YouTube or Instagram?
Yes, YouTube. I have a little YouTube channel.
Cool.
Oh, you have your own channel and you publish things?
It's a small one. Not many subscribers. Random vlogs. Yeah.
Beach down there, that is Camps Bay Beach, one of our most popular Groom Bay beaches in Cape Town. And the ocean over here, this is the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, this wraps all the way around. Okay. And
There's warm water side and cold water side, right?
so Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
Okay, these beaches are very popular, very touristy. But very few people go in the water because it's really cold.
Yeah, really cold. This side. Alright.
Such a decrease.
And then you guys may have heard of Boulders Beach or the Penguin Beach on the side of the peninsula, that side. It's about 5 degrees Celsius warm on that side.
Alright.
Okay. And the reason for that is because this side we have a current called the Cold Benguela Current, which comes from Antarctica. That side we have a current called the All Mozambican Current that comes from the equator on the east coast of Africa. So down there. Okay. These are warmer waters. So while this side is freezing cold, that side is just cold.
Yeah.
It's still cold. Okay. Oh, yeah. And then we, of course, we have the famous front face of Table Mountain over there, called Table Mountain because of its flat top. That peak on the left-hand side over there, that is called Devil's Peak. And this part on the right-hand side of the front face, this is also part of Table Mountain National Park. This is called the 12 Apostles of the Year. Because there's sort of 12 peaks around the top there. If you're looking for bikinis and six packs, this is where you want to go. Clifton is divided into 4 beaches. You have Clifton 4th beach on the far left hand side there, sort of the busiest one now as you can see it. And as you move to the right, you get 3rd beach, and then 2nd beach to the right, and then 1st beach on the far right. You guys look to the middle of the ocean there, you'll see an island.
Robben Island. Ah, yes.
Right? That is where Nelson Mandela spent 17 or 18 years of his 28-year prison sentence in prison. Of course, no longer used as a prison, basically turned into a museum. And there are daily boat tours that go over there to the island. And there are ex-prisoners that take you on a tour of the island. So guys, the reason why they call this lion pit is because if you can picture a lion sitting down or laying down like a sphinx. You guys know what a sphinx is? Yes. Signal Hill over here forms the back, the body, the spine of the lion, rising up to the mane and the back of the head. So when they talk about the lion of Lion's Head, you look at this whole mountain as being the lion, That is the body. This is the head side over here. Okay. So when we do hike down, we're actually going to hike down the front of his face. Okay, from the crown down to the brow, and then we're actually going to get the sunset on the bridge of the nose. Come down the nose and then come back around. Of course, it's very difficult to see the face of the lion when you're actually climbing it, but that is the idea behind it. So if you guys are ever on Table Mountain side, you look back at the lion, you'll see the shape of it.
Guys, tell it's different, something to
First ladder, guys.
Okay.
Okay guys, so this is the steel handles and chains I spoke about. Okay, 2 pitches, 1, 2. You can come down.
Take your time though, it's okay. Don't fall.
Oh.
So we're gonna treat it like a ladder. Hands and feet.
exist, not it's not. Oh, we won't go up this way, right?
Yeah, to the right.
We won't go up this way. We will go up here, right?
We go up, we don't come down.
You don't come down. Okay.
Oh, whoa.
No worries.
That's
People.
I followed you. Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
Thank you for waiting. No problem. Thanks. Oh yeah.
Is that
Sorry?
top or is that?
The top should be right there.
Okay, let's go. Table Mountain. Kita yang di noten ada. Dekat sampai. Video quick itu. Karena cable car ini nih, high cable. It's good. Yes. Tengah habis sunset, kita kan meter ini udah. Sunset dekat bala lah.